I would say about 40% of our revenue comes from enterprise class website design. Our process is a little different in our approach than a lot of other web companies that we see out there. When we're building a website, it's not just about building something that's pretty and functions. We really understand the persona that's visiting the website and where they're at in their journey. You have to understand who's a shopper and who's actually a buyer, or maybe who's a potential employee or a potential employee type you want to come and visit the website. And then you want to create a journey that works best for them. A lot of times when people build websites, we assume that the end user knows exactly where to go and where to click, leaving them clicking aimlessly throughout a website. We have heat maps on sites and we look at data and analytics and we understand what people are actually doing, so we see it firsthand, and it's usually pretty erratic. So imagine if you knew that you had a certain buyer type that was coming to the website and you engaged them on an emotional level immediately within 3 seconds. The image and the call out and the header resonated with them so much that they wanted to take another action, and then they clicked through to another page that took them deeper into their journey to learn more about your service. And then from there, we add value and give them something that's going to make them do their job better or help them get to a solution faster. And then at that point, we'll ask for their contact information. Most of the time, the journey can end there. And this is where we really like to start retargeting people and serving them ads wherever they go within the internet to get them to remember our brand and drive them back to our website to continue on their journey. Including video through the user experience is extremely important. Most people don't have time to read a ton of content and they'll click aimlessly throughout the website. So including video gets them to stay engaged on your website and watch exactly what it is that you do and what your offering is, and build a relationship before they even reach out. Everything from color to composition and where certain calls to action are laid out throughout a website are very important to consider. We want the end user to always see a button whenever they're scrolling to learn more and to fill out a form. And our website's usually converted around 7% because we ask for their contact information in multiple ways. It could be contact us today, schedule a consultation, download this case study, learn more about product or service X, Y, and Z. And now we have the ability to generate leads at a higher rate than the 0.1 to 2%, which is industry standard. Our websites are always responsive, so they'll look great on a phone or a tablet. You'll also want to make sure that your website's ADA compliant to avoid any sort of legal troubles. If your web presence is lacking in any of these ways, reach out and let's strategize on how we can build you a website that's going to perform best for your company.